Terravita is an environmentally conscious, innovative design studio. So the environment is a very important aspect to how we design. For example, if we're designing a house, what's the lifespan of the house? What will happen 150 years or 200 years down the road? How can that house be recycled is a factor to keep in mind, and then the energy efficiency of the house. Are certain sacrifices needed to be made? Potentially, yes. Maybe one is going to pay that little bit more, but by paying that bit more, they're also safeguarding the environment for future generations. We give our clients the information so that they have the knowledge so that they can make these decisions as to what they would ultimately like to do.